Hey, Dana, and welcome to my vlog. And this is a continuation of a review on the Shady Ray sunglasses. These are the ones I'm wearing right now are under the reader group, the blue tint. And where am I? I'm on a ladder right now. I'm about 20 feet up. I'm working on my quick shot of that. And I'm not having any real issues. Again, I'm using 1.5 magnitude, and when I'm flipping back and forth up the ladder, looking where my feet are, I'm not having a issue as far as all of a sudden a distance issue. So I thought I'd add this in to my blog here, and they're working really great. I don't have any glare in the UVs, especially looking into the sun. They're really not, no real issue. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share.
Check out the different styles, and to get a $15 discount on your first order, leave your email in my comments. Thank you.